Welcome back. Today I have another test footage or review kind of video for you guys. I'm going to be reviewing the DJI Spark, and I will be showing you guys how it looks. I'll be showing you some of the best cinematic shots of this DJI Spark. So first, let's jump into the review. As far as frame rates go and resolution, it shoots at 1080, so full HD at 30 frames a second. There really isn't much changing that can go on with those. You have two options when you get into the menu of the DJI Spark. You can shoot in auto or manual, which I typically always shoot in the auto section. But really what's cool about this drone is it's not the best one. It's not the best drone you can get out there on the market. It's good, but there are definitely some better drones. But I'd say where this drone really flourishes is in its size. This drone is so tiny. You could literally, put it in a pack in your backpack or whatever, and a certain spot in your backpack, and you could take it wherever you want. I mean, I keep it in this nice styrofoam case all the time that it came with. But as far as pricing goes, you can get the normal, just the drone, for brand new. I think it's like 400, 350 maybe brand new, and something like that. And you can find it used for cheaper options. And then with the Fly More combo, it used to be 600 new, but you can get it for 550 new. And the Fly More combo comes with the controller, extra props, an extra battery, just kind of some wing guards or prop guards, just some basic stuff you'll need that you would probably buy anyway after purchasing the drone. But I mean, as far as the looks of this drone goes, it's a pretty good, the resolution's good, the shots are good, but there are definitely better drones out there for looks if that's what you're going for. But for a budget drone, this thing doesn't do half bad. So let's roll that drone sequence.